Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up the all-purpose tarp shelter. Let's get started. The all-purpose tarp shelter comes in a spacious carry bag. If you don't yet have poles or guy lines, we recommend the Guy Line Set Pro and the telescopic pole set. Both are shown in this video. Unroll the tarp completely and lay it out flat on the ground. This helps you see exactly where you want to position it. In this example, we're setting up the tarp in an A-frame configuration. Extend the poles and place the first one in the center of the tarp. While one person holds the pole upright, a second person secures the two corners at a 45-degree angle. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the tarp. Now tension the four main guy lines firmly. Attach an extra guy line to the pole using the designated loop and tension it well. Your tarp is up. Our all-purpose tarp is highly versatile. You can set it up in countless ways. Be creative and try out different configurations.